This is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself, sir.
Fine, thanks. What's your name? Where do you come from?
Okay, my name is Solomon Shwam. Those who know me better, they call me Dr. Love. Dr. Love.
AKA Dr. Love.
Yes.
What's your take on the game tonight?
For me, they meant up enough to the players tonight. Yeah. So I want to fix one thought that I hear from that Maraba Starter guys. Remember when they beat Kaizer Chiefs in previous games? The referee they were put in the hand.
They were against you.
They were against us.
Especially those MTN 8 games 2 years back.
Even the leagues. Shalulile score how many goals with the offside against Chiefs? Offside goals. Because we don't have a VAR, nothing can we do. And then the last time, to remind most of people, the last time when Kaizer Chiefs won league, they won 3 games. They won 3 games in a row. 2014-2015 season. Those who say Kaizer Chiefs will finish on number 8, who's the current Nedbank champions for now?
It's Kaizer Chiefs.
Even the star that they're talking about it's for back domes. We all know. They were knocked off at the Champions League and knocked off again at the Confederation Cup.
They came back.
And they came back and they win that star with a back door, with a boardroom star.
Yeah.
So we cannot talk with how many times Kaizer Chiefs is the first team to go to Africa. If people they don't know, they went to Africa previous years ago with the legs of Lucas Hadebe, Dr. Kubalo, the previous team.
Oh, the one that won the Mandela Cup.
No, the one is for Jaupul 2001. I'm talking about the early 90s.
Oh yeah.
When they knock off with Zamalek, by 1 goal to 0. As the first team to represent this country, and as the only better team in the country. Even at England, when you can find person wearing the T-shirt, they will wear it for Kaizer Chiefs.
The only thing
Don't fool themselves.
Yeah.
Those they say, hey, Kaizer Chiefs number 8, they are jealous for Kaizer Chiefs success.
The only thing that you need to do is
they
to
are
win.
jealous for Kaizer Chiefs success.
Yeah.
And we've got a fan base. Even though they can move on with more than 1 million, Kaizer Chiefs will remain strong, and Kaizer Chiefs will remain as a Kaizer Chiefs. That is why they bought others PSL teams to not sell in Kaizer Chiefs their players. We know about all of these things. It's just that we cannot talk because we don't have a power. Money talks a lot in South Africa.
Yeah.
When it comes to the game, the game. For myself, as well, team balance. We are balanced for now.
Yeah.
I don't complain with anything. The only thing that I want to know, I want to see is to see that guy Silva playing also.
Yeah.
So then we can judge him from the performance on the high level.
Oh yes.
We cannot judge him as on the friendly games. Those who say Nabi must not come back, Nabi now is going to spoil our party. Nabi is the one who won a Nedbank Cup, and we have to support that coach because it's ours for now. Yeah. It's the one who ended 10 years drought that they're talking about. So we cannot criticize the person who bring the glory days back.
Exactly.
No, I thank you for that.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.novo2010sharpeye.com.